Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Eka Putri Karima from class 11-3 and this is my partner.
I am Sharifatul Khairiyah from 11-3.
Enjoy the video.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Arfi Trisananda.
Generation G grew up in a fast-paced digital era filled with challenge and pressure. They are often seen as weaker or too sensitive compared to older generation, but in reality, they are simply more open and aware of mental health. The influence of technology, social media, modern parenting, and education has shaped their way of thinking. Therefore, it's important to understand Gen Z not by their weakness, but by their awareness and courage to face the challenge of today's world. The question is, first, do you think Gen Z is really weaker than previous generation or just more open about their struggles?
I don't think Gen Z is weaker because I think they just more open about their struggle because as we know, Gen Z is always talk about mental health and their feeling. That is, previous generation is often or less talk about it.
So, how has social media shaped the mindset and emotional stability of Gen Z?
Um, Social media has both side, positive and negative side, and for me, I think it creates a pressure to look perfect and make them compare themselves with each other.
Is the rise in mental health issues among Gen Z a sign of weakness or a sign of awareness?
I think it's more a sign of awareness because Gen Z is there to talk about mental health. That is, as I said before, Gen Z is the previous gen. The previous generation is let's talk about it and like not normal when they talk about it.
How do modern parenting and education affect Gen Z ability to handle pressure?
In my opinion, modern parenting and education is always prioritize comfort and protection. So I think some Gen Z may struggle when they face the real world uh, challenges or struggle.
5. Why do you many older generation label Gen Z as too sensitive or too emotional?
Um, I think older generation were taught to hide emotion and their feeling, not as Gen Z, while Gen Z more talk about their expression, like talk about their feeling and their mental health. So that's why they're often misunderstood.
Number 6. What step can Gen Z take to build stronger mental resilience in today's stressful world?
Um, for me, I think they can limit social media use and seek support when they need and focus on self growth instead of comparison.
So last question. So what kind of Gen Z are you?
I think I'm the type of Gen Z who try to balance all with strength, and I express my feeling, but I also learn to handle uh, my feeling with maturely. That's
Yes.
all.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Okay, did you know lately Gen Z behavior has often been in the spotlight? News and social media showcase like school fighting, bullying, and then disrespect towards teacher. This is the Gen Z behavior, right? all Gen Z act this way, but this accident make people wonder: are young people is really getting weaker or just facing new kids pressure? Today, we'll discuss what's really happening with Gen Z and how society should understand them. Okay, I asked you question. It's just 6 questions, and then you have to answer it. One question: do you think Gen Z is really weaker than previous generation, or just more open about their struggles?
I don't think Gen Z is weaker. We're just more about your progress and mental health. We talk about things that older generation are yet to hear.
Okay, good answer. Number 2, how has social media shaped the mindset and emotional stability of Gen Z?
Social media really affects us. It connects us with the world, but sometimes it also makes us compare ourselves too much to others.
Okay, is the rise in mental health issue among Gen Z a sign of weakness or a sign of awareness?
I think it's a sign of awareness, not weakness. We just understand mental health better and are not afraid to talk about it.
Okay. Number 4, how do modern parenting and education affect Gen Z ability to handle pressure?
Modern parenting and education make us think freely, but sometimes they also make us less ashamed to hard pressure.
Answer that. Why do many older generation label Gen Z as too sensitive and too emotional? What do you think?
Maybe older generation call us too sensitive because we express your feelings more openly. But I think that's a strength, not a weakness.
Okay. Number 6, what step can Gen Z take to build stronger mental resilience in today's stressful world?
You can build stronger mental resilience by limiting social media, sharing your feelings, and focusing on real life goals.
Okay, last question. What type Gen Z are you? And like, what kind of Gen Z are you? Are you Gen Z type in the bad or a good Gen Z?
I'm the kind of Gen Z who wants balance, open-minded, caring, and trying to stay positive even when life gets hard.
So do you type of good Gen Z, right? I think so. You have work-life balance. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.